Well, welcome back. You know, we have a Corgi toy here, and it's got a bit of damage, little mini Cooper. The roof has been totally squished, and I have such great luck fixing these pieces without breaking them off that I thought, let's redo this toy. Looks like we're missing the little lights that were in it. A bit scratched up. I think the windshield is in okay condition in the inside, but we'll just have to rip the roof off and see. Anyways, let's get started. Well, welcome back. Ended up getting those tires off, but they were totally dry rotted, so they just broke into pieces. This is a little bit crushed up, but I think we can bend that out of there. The window is not cracked, it doesn't look like. Great news. That means we can clean that up. Of course, the roof is totally squished, but we're going to get to work on that right away. And then that bottom, we may take the axles off of this. I may try to redo it with it on it. I think we'll have to do a little de-rusting, of course, strip the paint on everything. Anyways, hope you're enjoying the video. Thanks for tuning in. Well, I didn't get it on film because I was just in here messing around, but I actually got that A-pillar, that front one, back in because it was completely out. Back one's still out, but I just put some glue on it to get it stuck there, and then we'll JB weld or do something to more fix it. But yeah, I couldn't believe I got it snapped into place. Pretty excited about that. So anyways, I hope you guys are enjoying the video. Thanks for tuning in. Well, I got that other one glued into place too. So I'm hoping to go behind it with some JB weld on the back side. I'm always set them once they dry, just so that I can get them set into place. I know it's probably not perfect, but it's not bad. And we still got a JB weld the tops at the other side to kind of get it into the all a little bit more straight. So anyways, I'm happy that they're set, and hopefully we can get some JB bolts in the permaset. Anyways, hope you guys are enjoying the videos. Thanks for tuning in. back. It is definitely not perfect, but it is back together. Try to get most of it pretty smoothed out. But I think it'll make for a usable toy, which should be better than what it was. So I think I might be doing the electric blue, another one of the hardcore colors. And maybe we'll do a black roof or something like that. We'll kind of just see as we go. But anyways, we're making some progress on it. Hope you guys are enjoying the video. If you haven't yet, like, subscribe, comment, let us know how we're doing. And definitely, thanks for watching. I bought some O-rings. I think these are number 5. They're a little bit thicker. There were some that were too fit, but they were smaller. So let's slap some of these on. Bought a few extras. We're probably gonna need them in the future. You guys enjoying the video? I'm gonna leave this bottom part all clean and still. Welcome back. It actually looks like we have a couple of holes, almost one here, and then when I was trying to push the bottom out, I think we got it a little bit more straight there. It pushed the hole to the very bottom, and you can kind of see that there. So what I'm going to try to do is get this JB Weld, of course, plastic bonder. And I'm just going to try to fill in that hole from the bottom and see if we can't get it. I think the rest is probably straight enough to go ahead and put back into the car. So the steering wheel's a little wobbly, but we may just glue that a little bit more straight. So we'll see. I might just leave it the way it is. Anyways, thanks for tuning in. I tried to put this together and I'm getting a bit of a gap on this side. I'm not sure what I could do. I could maybe put some more plastic filler in here and just try to smooth it out and see if that fills the gap. So maybe that's what we'll do. As it's sitting in, if I snap the bottom of the body on, it's just pushing it up just a little bit. Everything's not quite perfect, so it is just kind of what it is. I could leave it, but I don't like when it ends up with such a big gap. It's on this side, you can see it, but it wants to push up in there. So maybe if I get it reset. Anyways, we'll see what we can do. I hope you're enjoying the video. Well, welcome back. As you can see, I have added a little bit of a plastic edge here. I'm hoping to just make it a little bit wider. So what I think I'm going to do is just trim this up, not all the way, but a little bit. JD Weld plastic bonder. I'm just going to give it a little bit more of an edge. What I'm going to do is just try to fit that and then see how close I can get it. And then I'm hoping with the body to maybe get that window to set in a little bit better. So let's speed it up and we'll see what we can do. Thanks for tuning in. Well, welcome back. It is a usable toy once again. It's a roller. It's definitely not perfect, has its flaws, but I am so glad that we got it back together. Interior went in, window actually fit back into it, which was really nice. Bottom fit great. Back looks good. I love painting all the little details. Turned out really super cool. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you enjoyed the pictures at the end of this video. If you haven't yet, like, subscribe, comment, and let us know how we're doing. And most definitely, thanks for watching.